What was that, DEWALT?
Yes.
I like to see, let me see Crescent next.
Okay.
Once that carbide goes, that's when you're seeing the sparks and everything fly.
Yeah.
And then I'm having to push harder, and then you get more friction, you get the smoke.
I was watching that.
Do you have another competitor? I'm just, all right, put that on there. Yeah, I would like to see that. I would like to see that. Good thing you have gloves on. Wait. You're gonna make a couple? Is that what you said, a couple? All right. Because we've ran this test in this video over here, okay, check that out. We had a little bit different results. So I have to ask questions about it.
Absolutely.
Okay. One of the biggest comments that we got was, do that with a cordless saw. They did it with a cordless saw.
Yeah.
DEWALT and Crescent weren't even able to make it through the first cut,
Right.
which is not what we necessarily experienced. So it's confusing to me.
Yep.
How can you account for that? Like, why would they not be able to make it through?
So a couple of different things. Number one, you got different species of wood.
Okay.
Doug fir versus what we might have on the East Coast. So that's going to make a difference. Cordless saws.
Versus corded, we use the corded.
The biggest influence on what you saw is fluctuations in manufacturing, raw materials, manufacturing, and performance. It has to all come together.
No burning at all at the fastener. That's impressive.
I'm good. Good.
One more. If you can, you can. Go ahead, one more time. You know, let's see. Come on, Steven. Number one, you got multiple, I think you got more cuts through the nasty sandwich than we got with ours, with our DIABLO blade.
All right.
Okay, that's fine. It is what it is.
It really has to do with the quality of that carbide, how it's brazed on the blade.
So I need to break this down in my
Yeah.
mind. I need to make sense of this, and
Right.
some of them might want to know. Sometimes manufacturers will release something that looks great in the beginning, and then as time goes on, it doesn't perform. When they buy a newer version of it,
Right.
it doesn't perform the same. So what you're saying is that Crescent and DEWALT, and I'm not even going to talk about Spyder, that was kind of, you know, we didn't test it, so
Right.
I'm not as concerned, but you saw the performance here.
Right.
With that. You're saying that they're having fluctuations because of what's going on in the world.
I'm saying potentially.
Potentially. And you,
I've seen,
what I know about
fluctuations in their performance of their blades.
what I know about DIABLO is, I've heard this before, you're manufacturing your own carbide.
Correct.
So you're not dependent upon anybody but yourselves.
We're the only ones that are manufacturing our own carbide to put on our saw blades.
And
Yes.
you're able to control that.
Correct.
Thank you. Explains a lot. And if you want to see more DIABLO tool testing, go to this next video. Go check it out. You'll love it.